Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna script an advanced vehicle purchasing system. So first you're gonna insert a script in the server script storage. Name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it vehicle handler. Then create a module script in the script we just created, and just open this table and just follow my steps. I'm just vehicles, create a new table, and then our first vehicle. I'm just going to pick a van out of the toolbox. You can insert every vehicle you want, it doesn't matter. Yeah, vehicle name. I'm just calling it van. Then that's important. That's the value name. The value name has to be the same as this. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. Oh, very important. Put this at the end. Okay. Then we need retired. If the vehicle is retired, you can't buy it anymore. Then of course we need the price. I'm just going to 1,000. And we don't need, but if you want special players in your, so only special players can buy this vehicle, then you just set this to true. Same with this. If you want it retired, just set it to true. It's pretty easy. And now we make this special table. That's the table with the user IDs. So for example, if you want someone, just for someone to buy the vehicle, you set this to true, so no one can buy it except for a special player. And you type the special player username in there. I'm just going to put my user ID. And yeah, that's how you do it. And if you put this to false, you can still leave the user ID in. It doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm just calling this vehicle data. Yeah, there we go. So now go in your server script and create a variable for your module and a vehicle data. We're just going to get the data store service, get data store. I'm just going to call it vehicle data. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to check if a player connected to your game, like that, and create a folder with the vehicles in it. So just create a folder and name it. I'm just going to call it vehicles. Then that's very important. If you have already a value, for example, money, gems, coins, whatever. If you have already a value, don't do this step, okay? I'm just going to do it because I don't have a currency in this game. So I'm just going to create a currency, and don't follow this step if you already have a currency in your game. So now I'm done here with the money. This part, wait, so here I marked it for you. If you have already a currency, you don't have to do this in the marked spot. Don't do this if you have already money or something like that. Okay. So now once you're done here, you're going to create a loop, and we're going to loop through the through the vehicle data. So local new value instance of new we're going to create a Boolean value and set the parent to the vehicle folder, and the name is gonna be the v.value name, and the new value is false. So yeah, so once you're done here, again we're gonna load the data if the player has any. So once you're done here, we need if the get async had succeed, then we need to give every vehicle value their data back. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm just looping through the vehicle folder and through the data. So if v.name is equal to d, then v.value is equal to k. So else print error while loading data. Warn error message. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we will check if the player sits in a car. So player.character added .connect.function character. While wait if character.find first child humanoid dot seed part equals to character dot find first. Oh no. If the thing is not nil, then if character dot find first child humanoid dot seed part is equal to, oh my god, find for first, oh my god, what's wrong, dot humanoid dot seed part dot parent dot primary part. Then if player dot vehicles. Again, you need to, whatever you named this, put it here. If player dot vehicles dot find first child character dot find first child wait, we're just gonna copy this. You can copy this, but don't put the primary part, just put dot name, then dot name dot value equals true. Then I'm just going to print player has vehicle, and else if player dot vehicles dot find first child character dot find first child humanoid dot seed part dot parent dot name value equals to false. Then and now is the best part if you're going to create a little GUI, because a little bind GUI. Yeah, that would be great. So I'm just creating a GUI, and I'm back then. So I'm back now, and I created my really simple GUI, and yeah, now we're gonna use it. So local drive seed equals character dot find for oh my god. Okay, once you're done here, it should look like this. And yeah, now we're going to disable the driver seat and search for the car value. Character dot find first child. Honestly, just copy this without the primary part. Just dot name. There we go. Player dot player GUI dot perching frame. Whatever you named this, call it in here. Mainframe dot vehicle value. Exactly. You have to create a string value and call it not the value, vehicle value. Vehicle value equals the car value. There we go. And just copy this over and over again. Dot description dot text. Are you sure you want to buy the that's just, yeah. You want to buy the vehicle dot vehicles dot car value dot vehicle name dot for the vehicle price, car value, just price dot question mark. And yeah, there we go. You can go back. Oh, just create a new line. Oh, okay, bam. And now the last thing you gotta do here is make it visible equals true, and weight 0.5, drive seat dot disabled equal to false. So now once you're done here, just grab a vehicle, but you're not done yet. So I'm going to show you the instructions right now. First of all, the driver's seat, as you can see here, has to be the primary part of the model, and the model has to be the same name as this and this. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's get into the vehicle. Come on, open your door. There we go. And boom, you sure you want to buy the van for 1,000, but nothing is working. So that's what we're gonna do now. So go back into your script, and we're gonna create the bind now. So first of all, create a remote event in the replicated storage and call it purchase vehicle. And on server event function player dot vehicle value. Perfect. So that's the part where the player is able to buy the vehicle. So if vehicle dot vehicles dot vehicle value dot retired equals false, then if player dot leader stats dot money, again whatever currency you have here, dot value is higher than vehicle dot vehicles dot not dot vehicle value dot price, then player dot leader stats dot money dot value dot money negative, and we're gonna decrease the vehicle price. So there we go. And last we need to give the player the vehicle he just bought. So yeah, we're gonna find first child value equals to true. So I'm going to script now the other ones because There are three more for the retired and the special players, and I'm just going to explain what they do. So I see you when I'm done with the next one. So this is where we check if the vehicle is retired, so no one can buy it. So yeah, but there's something we need to do. So just go into the starter GUI and insert a local script. Just call it retired vehicle. Retired vehicle. And just follow my steps. Game.starterGUI.setCore send not oh my god. Send not notification, comma, open a table. Title is, for me, it's vehicle. You can copy that. Text is vehicle is retired. Icon is nil. Oh. And the duration 5. Yeah, once you're done here, just disable the script. And yeah, so if the vehicle is retired, a little notification is going to pop up. And yeah, you can't buy it anymore. So the last one is probably the biggest, and it is for the special player. So if it checks here if it's a special vehicle, and if it's retired, then it checks if your player user ID is in the special table. Then it's going to check how much money you have, it's going to decrease it, and you get the vehicle. But if you're not in the table, you're going to get the retired message from before. So there's one thing left. The data saving. So going to, if the player removed, local key equals player.user ID. Local I'm just going to call it tab, and loop through in pairs, loop through player.vehicles, get children. Okay, so tab v.name equals v.value. Perfect. So now we're going to save this data we have here. Just I'm going to call it error, not player, pcall dot function vehicle data dot set async key comma tab, and there we go. So now we just need to check. If not success, then print vehicle error and warn the error, else print vehicle data has been saved. Okay, but there's still one thing left. So go into your purchase thing and create a local script in the purchasing thing. And just follow my steps. It's not a very long script, so it must be very easy. Fire server script dot parent dot vehicle value dot value. So close that, and in the decline button you're going to do the same thing. Well, not exactly, but almost. Script dot parent dot visible is equal to false. Now you can close this and close the purchasing frame, and I think I'm done here. So yeah, let's test it. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to show you how to add cars to the script, so don't be worried about that. So we're going in. Oh, are you sure you want to buy the van? Yes, I do. Oh, it's not getting off my thing. Never mind. I bought it now and I can drive it. So that's working. Now we're going to test it if the vehicle is retired. So we're going to set this to true and test it again. So as you can see here, vehicle is retired. So I can't buy it anymore. Boom. I can't buy it. That's a rip. Oof, I can't buy it. And what the heck? So now we're going to check to do the special player. There's my user ID. If you want to test it, put yours in the table, in the two brackets, and it's retired and for a special player. So boom, I can buy it. So now I can drive it actually. Wow. But if there's not my user ID, I'm just changing the 2 to a 1. So that's not my user ID. I probably can't buy it. And that's good because we want that. Oh no, I can't buy it. How sad. Okay. You're done here. If you want to stay, I'm going to show you how to add vehicles. So just pick a random vehicle. You can make it yourself. It's whatever. So I found a car now, and I'm just going to show you how I would make this car buyable. First, you want to select the car and set the primary part to the drive seat. Once that's done, you're going to copy this. I just paste it down there. So my vehicle has the name Jeep, and I can just call it subscribe. So it doesn't matter, but here you need to get the name of the vehicle and of this, Jeep. Retired false, and I'm just going to make it 2,500. I'm not making it for special players, so everyone can buy it. I'm just showing you the difference. So you can add as many cars as you want. So this one is just for special people, and this, I can buy this whenever I want. And I just bought it. Oh, why can't I drive? Oh no, that's not the problem. Wait, what is here the problem? Just a second, guys. So guys, I found the issue, and you need to check if there's a value, else it's going to break the script. And just I inserted this line. Just copy this line and put it in here. That's the issue. So now we're going to test it. So yeah. This vehicle is retired. Wait. Oh my god, why can't you open? Oh. Vehicle is retired. I can't sit in it. This isn't retired, so I can sit in it. And I don't know why my cam is so broken. I think the vehicle is broken. But as you can see, player has vehicle, so it works. So thank you guys so much for watching. I would love if you subscribe and like the video, and maybe share it with your friends if you have any that need something like this. And yeah, I'm just going to say bye and have a great Valentine's Day. Bye.